In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Monopoly Go. Let's get started by ensuring that your Monopoly Go app is fully updated. Keeping your app up to date is crucial as it ensures you have access to the latest features and fixes any potential glitches. Once you've confirmed that your app is updated, go ahead and open it up. As the app opens, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find three horizontal lines often referred to as the hamburger icon. Tapping on this icon will reveal a new set of options. Don't worry about the details of these options right now. We're focusing specifically on changing your name, so you can skip over the extra information and proceed directly to the next step. Your next task is to tap on the profile icon located at the top of this menu. This will bring up a new set of profile options. Again, there's no need to dive into those extras since we're here to simply change the name on your Monopoly Go account. What you'll be looking for is a small pencil icon to the right of your current name. This pencil indicates that your name is editable. In this demonstration, I've already recently updated my name, which is why I don't see the pencil now. But if this pencil is visible on your screen, that means you go right ahead and tap it. Once you've accessed the name editing section, you'll be able to type in your new desired name. Take a moment to consider the name you wish to use, as you only get one free name change after creating your account. Carefully enter your chosen name, and once you're satisfied with it, tap the Submit button to confirm your change. After submitting, your new name will be updated immediately. It's important to note that after using your free name change, the option to change your name again will be locked unless you choose to spend premium currency, which in Monopoly Go are known as diamonds. Occasionally, the developers might host a special event that includes an additional name change opportunity, so keep an eye out for those. And that wraps up how to change your name in Monopoly Go. If you found this guide helpful, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and happy gaming!